pleasure and honor of welcoming the great brains of India, one of the great brains of India. The person here with me is someone whose achievements could not be matched. A very hard-working boy, a real achiever. I am talking of Dr. Lokesh Agarwal, Rank 1, AIIMS PG, November 2015. I formally welcome you, Dr. Lokesh Agarwal, in the DAMS studio today. On your wonderful achievement, let me just ask you, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, sir. It's been a tough journey for me and for my parents as well. So, but I think whatever hard work was there, it was worth a try.
Well, I would say these are very, very modestly you have put in your effort. Let me tell my listeners here, whenever I would try to talk and get in touch with Lokesh, either he is studying in the library or he is into some conference or he is into some presentations or carrying on with his duties. I would say it is just wonderful for us to have you here today and talk about your achievement on securing rank 1 in AIIMS PG November 2015. Let me start from a very personal note, Dr. Lokesh here. How did your parents, family and friends contribute to your success?
What I personally feel is, sir, that my role was insignificant. There's a whole team behind me, a huge army who was actually working for me every day, every single second. Most importantly, my parents. I feel everyone can achieve anything, whatever they want to achieve. It's just the support that we get. So, this achievement or whatever else I have achieved is because of my friends, my family and my teachers. And I would sincerely like to thank them. And please be with me
आगे भी जीवन में ही है. हाँ, मैं समझ रहा हूँ मैं because now you're talking so nicely to us, you're sharing your heart with us. डॉक्टर लोकेश, एक बात आपसे यहाँ जानना चाहूंगा, क्या मेडिसिन में जाने के लिए भी पेरेंट्स ने ही इन्फ्लुएंस किया था या आपका अपना डिसीजन था?
That was my decision.
That was your own decision.
My father is a pediatric surgeon.
All right.
So he showed me the actual world and he told me that it's not gonna be easy. So, but he told me that no branch is more gratifying than medical science. And I personally felt that. So my parents were very open for this thing. And I feel I've made the right decision.
Yes, you have. In fact, the country is fortunate, to have a wonderful doctor, a genius like you, coming up, and taking up further studies in medicine. Dr. Lokesh, as we all know that, preparing for PGME, the postgraduate medical entrance exam, is really a tough job. It is considered as the toughest exams in the world, right? So during your preparation, did you ever doubt your ability to succeed? Well, I would say, as an onlooker, as a person who has known you from quite a long time, I never doubted your ability. But inside, I would like to listen it from the horse's mouth.
There was no single day when I did not doubt my ability. It was my parents who believed I can do it. I used to cry. I feel that many people who would have achieved anything, they would have cried. But again, those who believed in me, they said, "यार तू कर लेगा, यार तू कर लेगा." I would say, "नहीं यार मुझसे नहीं होगा, बहुत हो गया, बहुत हो गया." They used to say, "बस चल यार, थोड़ा सा और कर, शायद हो जाए." This is what is important.
Well, I have known you, Dr. Lokesh, from past some time. जो आपसे कहते हैं नहीं तू कर लेगा, I would say they should have changed their vocabulary. उन्हें कहना चाहिए तू ही कर लेगा, बाकी तो everybody is following you in all this. Let me ask you a very honest question here. क्या आपको लगा ऐसा कि डैम्स के साथ एसोसिएट होने में आपको फायदा हुआ इस प्रिपरेशन के दौरान? Did you find yourself benefited by dams, while preparing for a tough exam like PGME?
Definitely, sir. Had I not have joined DAMS,
जी.
मतलब it would have been a great fault.
Okay.
मतलब it was very important for me, and I joined DAMS in my third year of MBBS.
जी.
And that was the foundation stone.
Okay.
मतलब that was the time I seriously started preparing, and that helped me a lot.
Okay. थोड़ा सा और इसको elaborate करके बता पाएंगे, Dr. Lokesh? Can you just emphasize a little that how the DAMS regime, the curriculum we are offering to students, and you were a part of it, did it help you? The books that we provided, and the teachers who were taking the classes, and the entire regime of having weekend classes or evening classes with DAMS faculty. How did it help you? I mean, if you can little elaborate that.
Most important thing is self-study.
Okay.
But we need a guidance, and that guidance was provided by DAMS. Apart from guidance, we need stamina. When I asked few of my seniors, they used to tell me DAMS classes are very long. They last from about 7 to 8 hours to 9 hours. But they actually helped me, because that 3 hours of actual exam is like 9 hours of self-study.
Okay, yeah,
because
very true.
It makes a lot of difference. So DAMS helped me a lot.
Okay. So what I can gather from your inputs is that making you ready for that strenuous 3 hours, you require a lot of stamina and a lot of hard work before that. Like it's just like a boxing round wherein you fight in for 3 minutes and prepare for the whole year. That's very nice inputs. I think all our juniors, all our aspirants are listening to this. Let me just remind my listeners that we are talking to Dr. Lokesh Agarwal, Rank 1, AIIMS Postgraduate Medical Entrance Exam, November 2015. बातचीत को थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाते हैं यहाँ पर. Let's carry forward this thing to the next level. What books did you refer? Or I should put it in other words, like, do you think that study material that DAMS is providing to the students was good enough for your preparation?
Answer to your first question. What I referred, and I would want my juniors to refer, are standard textbooks.
Okay.
And everyone knows what standard textbooks are. How DAMS study material helped me was providing some recent advances. I found DAMS forensic study material particularly helpful.
Okay.
Because the sections, IPC sections that they have provided, they have provided right from IPC 10 till 300.
Okay.
So I don't think that anyone would miss any IPC section after reading that DAMS study, forensic study material.
Yeah, that's really elaborate. Listening to your inputs, I would say that's elaborate. Kindly continue. And we came up, the Harrison's booklet by DAMS. Did you get a chance to read that, or you were reading the original Harrison?
I read this Harrison textbook. The study material, Harrison textbook by DAMS.
Yes.
So I got a chance to read it after completing my Harrison.
Okay.
So what I found was, had I got this Harrison material earlier, I would not have wasted much of my precious time in finding out important things in Harrison. So it really helped.
Let me just ask you one more thing here. That it's a very common question that we come across by students, that so there's limited time and there's so much of subjects, and then focusing is a problem. Let me just ask a very important question which every aspirant would like to know from you. How did you manage your time? How did you manage your time while preparing? How did you divide it? For reading and then revising. How did you do that?
Most important thing is revising.
Okay.
And apart from revising, you don't need to revise simple things every day or again and again. get your concepts clear, build on your concepts, and after you have built on your concepts, they'll stay for you forever. They won't vanish off. So you just need to revise those facts, those figures. That's it. Concepts will stay for you, stay with you. So it's important to build concepts. I got this advice from my seniors. So this conceptual studying is very important according to me. And time management, if you are studying conceptually, time management won't be a problem for you.
थोड़ा सा यहाँ मुझे लोकेश आप ये बताइए कि क्या डैम्स की फैकल्टी ने कभी गाइड किया टाइम मैनेजमेंट को लेके, या कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डिंग जो आप कह रहे हैं मतलब काफी एक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है इस तरीके की प्रिपरेशन का, क्या डैम्स में आपको ऐसा लगा कि इससे आपको मदद हुई?
Sumer Sethi sir, he was the one who told me how to link things.
Okay.
It's not about studying pathology, it's not about studying surgery, it's not about studying radiodiagnosis. All subjects are interlinked. You study surgery, radiodiagnosis, science come to your mind. Pathology slides come to your mind. So if you are studying surgery, everything you can revise in that surgery material only. So I guess I was fortunate enough to be a student of Dr. Sumer Sethi, and he really helped me in understanding this thing, and I would never forget it in rest of my life as well.
Well, you have very nicely given your mix of success to us, but a little more word on your method of preparation. I am very much clear, and I think all my listeners would also agree that what you said is making your concepts clear, right, and keeping them with you. They will never vanish. They will never go away from your mind. But then how did you do that? You also mentioned that Dr. Sumer's guidance, in making things remember, clearing your concepts, and linking the subjects while you're studying medicine. But then again, I want a very specific answer in terms of, in your method of preparation. I mean, kindly if you can tell us that. And how was the DAMS association useful in that?
I would just reiterate the facts, but the fact remains, standard textbooks give you concepts, just build on those concepts and revise some figures and try and link things, because
referring to some points regarding Dr. Rajiv Shetty's
I think he started something like case scenario based.
Yes.
For example, Waardenburg syndrome that I could remember.
Okay.
There was a photograph, and then some clinical points related to it, or some carcinoma clinical points related to it, pathology related to it, anatomy related to it. So that reading that particular thing, clinico-pathologic correlate, was very helpful.
Very helpful to you. Okay, I could understand that. Let me just remind my listeners here that I'm talking to Dr. Lokesh Agarwal, Rank 1 AIIMS PG, November 2015. Dr. Lokesh, as we all know, the DAMS is quite active on the internet thing. We have various platforms and various activities going on there. Do you think that such activities like our DAMS exclusive club on the Facebook and other methods and various platforms are useful to you while you're preparing? And if you think they are useful, then how is that?
Definitely, sir, they are useful. Particularly, they help us they keep us regularly updated.
Okay.
So any recent technology, any new FDA approved drug, they put it on the club, and we don't have to search the net and waste our precious time. So it did help me in that way.
So what I can gather from your input is that the DAMS exclusive club or the Facebook page helped you in getting to know what latest is going on in medicine, updating you with the latest inputs. Do you think, or did you ever try that, if you had some query which were confusing, there were books which were giving different answers for a particular question. Did it help you in that way, the Facebook club? Did you try it?
Personally, what I felt, please don't waste your time in running about in trying to search for controversial questions. They won't make a difference.
But I think you would agree that DAMS is very much, in clearing the doubts for controversial questions.
True, sir. True.
So, did you have any experience to that with DAMS?
One particular thing that I found helpful was there are many students who are enrolled in DAMS.
Yes.
So if DAMS gives a particular answer, 70 to 80% of the PG aspirants would be marking that particular answer.
All right.
So if it's a controversial question, go with that answer, because if it's going to be right, 70 to 80% will mark that. If it's wrong, 70 to 80% will mark that.
All right.
So everything will be nullified.
Okay.
So please don't waste your time searching for controversial questions. Just go with one particular answer. Fix your mind that you're gonna mark that answer when it comes in your actual battle, and that's how it helped.
And what I can gather, or should I put it in other words, that whatever DAMS faculty is giving any input for such questions, you should go by that.
Go by that.
You should go by that.
Definitely, sir.
Great. We have been conducting, with the various activities like the CBT, the computer-based tests, and the DAMS Visual Tree DVT sessions. Did you attend our DVT sessions?
No, sir. Personally, I didn't.
Why didn't you do that?
Because frankly speaking, sir, I used to get the material of DVT. So I used to cover it up in 1 or 2 hours, that whole DVT.
Okay.
I found it very useful. So I just saved those 6 more hours studying, self-studying, and covered that DVT in 2 hours.
Okay, so you were just managing your time like that.
True, sir.
But do you say that students should go for DVT or CBT sessions like
If they are able to get the study material from some of their friends, it's very good. But please don't miss any point of DVT, because if you are missing something that others are gaining, you are definitely losing on something. So just try your best to get everything what they are telling. If you can get it from your friends, good enough. Otherwise, you have to attend that thing.
That's really nice. I will not prolong this conversation to that level that it becomes boring. But let me just ask you: did you focus specifically on certain subjects, or was it a complete study?
I focused on pathology, medicine, physiology, and biochem.
Why in particular these subjects?
Because these are conceptual subjects. These are rank deciding subjects. In other subjects, either you know the answer or you don't know the answer.
Correct.
In these subjects, you can make out your answer.
Correct.
So if you get these subjects right, you're gonna get a good rank. But if you do other subjects wrong, you are not in the list. So these particular subjects that I mentioned are what I feel are rank deciding subjects. So I focused on these subjects.
That's really wonderful inputs for all the aspirants who are listening to this. And let me remind my listeners once again that I am talking to Dr. Lokesh Agarwal, Rank 1 AIIMS PG, November 2015. It's really a pleasure talking to you, Dr. Lokesh. But before I wind up, I have a few informal questions coming up for you. I hope you don't mind.
No, sir.
Absolutely great. He's a wonderful person. Let me tell my listeners one more thing here about Lokesh, that he has won the DAMS Grey Matter National Quiz in 2015, and he is defending the title for AIIMS continuously for the 4th year. Congratulations once again to you for that, Dr. Lokesh.
Thank you.
Now, let me just ask you, what subject do you want to specialize in?
I want to specialize in surgical disciplines.
Why so?
I think I have an inherent interest in surgical disciplines. Thing that excites me most is surgery. So that's why, sir.
Okay, I would say that is your passion.
True, sir.
That's great, and I would really assure here, all the people here, all the countrymen, all the citizens of India, that a very good surgeon is coming up very soon. Let me just ask you, any faculties in particular in DAMS, had helped you or you liked them? If you can mention a few names you were really, you were helped with or you liked them.
Dr. Sumer Sethi, my ENT teacher. I'm sorry, I can't recollect the name. Deepti Behel ma'am. These are to name a few. I'm not able to recollect other names.
Names doesn't matter. If you require, if you remember the faculty for the subject, you can mention that.
Surgery teacher.
Okay.
He's a wonderful person, and after his lectures, I used to go and ask him, so what's the funda behind it? Matlab, do we need to really know this, or it was just matlab, a part of the course? So he used to tell me, "Arey, forget this thing. This is never gonna come. And what is important is focus on funda. You know the funda of the surgery. Whatever is it, manipulate, rule out 3 options, mark this option, go ahead." So I think these people help me a lot.
I think these inputs what our surgery faculty has given is going to go a long way in your career as well.
Yes, sir. I believe so.
That's great. That's great. But before I end, let me ask one of my favorite questions. You have been associated with DAMS, for quite a long time, right? As you have mentioned yourself that in third year you joined DAMS. Let me just ask, whatever time you spend with DAMS, right? With whatever time from the day you joined DAMS till the moment you took your PG exam, what difference did you find in yourself while preparing with DAMS?
I think, but according to my mother, it's not true. I matured.
You matured with DAMS?
True.
Okay.
I think so.
Okay.
I matured with time, or I matured with DAMS. I'm not sure of it, but I think I matured. PG exams are just a part. The biggest picture is your life.
Correct.
Not just your life of others, other people as well.
Absolutely.
People around you.
Absolutely.
So I used to open my Facebook account, I used to log into DAMS page, and I never used to comment. In my 3 years, I never asked a single question in DAMS. But I kept track of all the questions that other people were asking. So it, in a way, it gave an idea ki what difficulties other people are facing, or what concepts other people are finding it difficult. So it gave an insight to me. It gave me an insight that what particular things I should focus on. So DAMS is a wonderful platform. You are able to see the entire medical MBBS group of the country on a single page. So it helps a lot.
Okay.
Studying alone sometimes gets a little boring, but when you know there's a huge crowd competing,
yes,
you have to be on your tiptoes. So I definitely feel that please look around you, please see who all are there. So I really feel DAMS helped me in this particular thing.
So what should I gather from your inputs, that you became more mature, more focused?
I think so, sir.
No, I need a certain answer. I mean, come on, that's too modest of you, Lokesh. You are much better in answering those questions. I don't know what's holding you back. Give us a fair opinion.
Same thing, sir. What I said. And some inspirational quotes, although you can get them from internet, but the days when you are low, just one inspirational quote from any faculty, and that makes your day.
Absolutely.
You get up, you feel low, you just open your account or anything, and just a inspirational message flashes, and you stick to that whole day, and that makes your day.
Absolutely.
So
absolutely.
That's what I feel.
That's what you experience.
That's what is life.
Absolutely.
Because life is not 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. It's every day.
Absolutely.
So if a single message, single comment, anything, single thing makes your day, you've lived your life for that day.
Absolutely.
So
right. That's very nicely put, Dr. Lokesh. That's the difference between a common man and an intelligent man. We're talking to a very intelligent man here, very intelligent boy, Dr. Lokesh Agarwal, Rank 1, AIIMS PG, November 2015. Before we wind up, I would like to ask you here, Dr. Lokesh, would you advise your juniors to join DAMS?
I need not reiterate this thing. I think whatever I have said earlier has made my point very clear. You must know what's happening around. And DAMS is a very good platform for that. So I would personally recommend joining DAMS.
All right. And how soon everybody should do that?
Definitely. I'm sorry, sir, but I don't think first year is the time.
No, first year
to
we
join.
also do not recommend.
Because
we also do not recommend.
11th, 12th is a hectic study.
Absolutely.
And first year, please think what you have to do. Please take a deep breath. And then maybe from second year, I joined from third year. But trends are changing. Competition is getting more and more fierce. So if somebody is comfortable, join in second year. But please not in first year.
Right. Well, no, that's very nice. And let me just add on to your inputs regarding the Facebook page. As you very rightly mentioned that that is the place where you can find the beat of all the aspirants, of all the students who are preparing for PG. Well, the only motive to create a page like that, to bring all the students together, so that they can share and share with the experiences, their experiences with others, and others are also benefited by such experiences or feelings or whatever knowledge-based questions they are sharing. That's very nice. Thank you very much, Dr. Lokesh. It was very nice talking to you. And let me just congratulate you once again on the wonderful performance that you have shown by securing rank 1 AIIMS PG in November 2015. Wish you all the best in life.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.